It's difficult to find people to get on the board. It's a pretty ungrateful position, and most people don't want to do it. A lot of little details you have to deal with day in and day out, just running the association. But it gets more difficult when you have this project like this, of course. Nobody wants to hear that bad news or deal with what it's going to take to complete it, but we stayed on the board through the whole process. We were actually due to be off the board about 2 years earlier, but I agreed to stay on through the remainder of the process. It was a big job to manage it, but when you're doing that much work around occupied units and keeping people in their homes, coming and going as they need, and managing their expectations, managing their irritations, is very difficult.
In our experience in the past, we had been through other projects, and since we're not construction people, we didn't know whether it was really being done well or not, and so trying to get like the best quality for the value was always an important thing.
Having J2 there at board meetings and at the job site, and just access to us at all times, email and phone, it's just knowing that the project is going to finish and they're going to see an end result.